Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to start making money with CPA marketing, being a beginner step by step. And at the end of the day, I'm going to give you a giveaway of a free PDF. Imagine making money online without selling anything, without creating a product, and even without even talking to a customer. Does it not sound interesting, right? In today's video, I am going to show you the exact way how CPA marketing works and how you can start making money using this process. Now, the truth is, many people have tried making money online, but they quit because things are too complicated or are too difficult. You see the difference. Strategy everywhere, but nobody is breaking it down in a simple way. You can imagine how difficult and frustrating this thing will be. So let's simplify it. What a CPA simply means cost per action. That means you get paid when someone complete a simple action. What are these actions now? Like sign up, like downloading an app, or filling a form. You don't need to sell anything. You just need to connect people to do this offer for you. The next step is you need to choose the right offer. Not all offer will all make you money. You need to pick offer that are easy for people to complete, like free sign up or try. That is where most beginners get it wrong. So now, once you have known what is CPA, I've told you it's a cost per action. Now, to make this thing easier for you, I have actually put everything I am explaining in this video into a simple PDF guide. So, instead of trying to remember everything, you can just follow this step-by-step process inside the PDF at your own space. In that PDF, you will see how to choose the best CPA offer, where to get traffic, and the exact step by step to start earning as a beginner. And if you want to access this PDF, just check the links in the description or comment section. It is there to guide you step by step. Now, let's move to the most important part, which is traffic. Because without traffic, you will not make any money. You can use free traffic method like social media. The free traffic we are going to be using now for this video now is Facebook. Facebook is one of the social media where you can even get as many as possible of free traffic to your offer. So what we are going to be doing here right now is we need to come to this search bar here. When we come to this search bar here, we are going to write make money online. So once you have written make money online here, the next thing now you are going to do now is just to click enter. So when you click enter here, then the next thing now, you can see here you are going to click, you have already clicked enter. What you now need to be doing here, once you have clicked enter, you need to move down. Once you move down, you click on a group. When you click on group right now, different make money online is going to come up. You can see here right now how to make money online. So you can see this one is per day they are posting the 60 post. So you join this group. This one is 6. I don't advise you to join that one. This is 40. You join this one. You just move down. You join as many as possible. The next thing now you need to do right now, you now need to come back here. Those one you have already visited now. Here, you need to open this. When you open this, let's open this one now. When you open this one, you can see here it's saying make one, and we are having 2.5, 2,500 members here. So you need to move down. When you move down here, it's going to ask you write something. This is where you are going to put your post here. And once you put your post here, the moment the admin of this group approve your post, then your post is going to be going on here. And the moment they see the moment the member in this group see this post and they like it, then when they ask you how do you do it, then you are going to start sending your list to them. The moment you send your link to them and they click on that your link and they complete that post or that offer to your offer. So the moment you are able to get a simple post to drive people to your CPA offer, the key is consistency and targeting the right audience. So, and this is very exact why I recommend you to go through this PDF after watching this video, because it breaks everything down in a way you can actually apply immediately. So, if this video helps you, don't forget to like, share it, and prevention you are watching this channel for the first time. What I will want you to do that is not going to cost you any time. Just subscribe, and most importantly, take action, because that is where the real result comes from. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.